He almost buried this pool in dirt until he saw this. He found a literal swamp in his new backyard. Look at that water. It's pure sludge. Most people would have just filled this with dirt and called it a day. But this guy decided to do the impossible. He didn't have the money for a crew, so he grabbed a pressure washer and went to war. Watch the grime melt away. Years of moss and algae versus pure determination. He spent days under the sun, scrubbing every inch until his hands were sore. The real magic happened when the paint went on. From a horror movie set to a luxury resort. Rate this transformation 1 to 10 in the comments. Would you have worked this hard or just buried it?